Cap 26 here, just do tips from Pearson Hobbies. And today, this afternoon, we have another poem for you from Audrey August. So you'll see that next. Thank you. Please rate and subscribe.
Hi, this is Audrey again. I'm going to read a poem called Birds. Birds fly high every day. They swing their wings so beautifully. Robins, blue jays, and orioles, they look for food for tomorrow. The wings open so beautifully. They show their colors so fancy free. The wind blows toward the coast. Only in the east do we love the most. Thank you.